All right, y'all. So we had leftovers last night, and it's lunchtime, and I'm hungry. So I went in the pantry to get some jasmine rice, and we had this the leftovers my wife cooked. It's cream of chicken. So I had went ahead and fixed some new rice, and then reheated it up in the oven. And now I'm fixing the plates right now for me and her. Um, this thing was real good last night, so I hope it tastes the same today. And this is my rice I had cooked. And now I'm washing dishes.
So Peach Patch, I'm up here helping Wood with this voiceover, trying to get him more comfortable, regardless if me and Wood stay together or not. You want to be with me? Oh, oh. You see how this man do me? Now he texts me how he want to be with me. He want to be a family. He gonna get it right. But then now we talking about it. It's giggles like I'm a joke.